Question 5 in Unit 14 looks at a popular investment strategy called time averaging. The idea is that if we have some money to invest, it might be a good idea not to invest it all at once, but to invest it in even amounts over a period of years. This way, when prices are low, we'll buy lots of shares. When prices are high, we'll buy only a few. And so we will have bought most of our shares very cheaply. Does this work out? Let's check with this example, and then in question 6, look at another example for comparison. Suppose, as in question 5, a stock costs $100 one year, drops to $50 the next year, rises to $100, rises all the way to $200, and then drops back to $100. And suppose that we have $20,000 to invest. The simplest case is if we invest the $20,000 all at once. If we do, then the number of shares we get originally at $100 per share is 200 shares. This is a number of shares, so I'll reformat it to look like a number. We hold on to our 200 shares until the end of the period and then sell them. When we sell them, we sell all the 200 shares for $100 each, and we get $20,000. This is no surprise. We bought for $100, we sold for $100, and so we didn't make or lose any money at all. Now, here's the alternative. Suppose instead of putting the $20,000 in all at once, we invested $5,000 each year. Then the number of shares we bought each year would be 5,000 divided by the price of the share. Again, this is a number, so I'll format it to look like one. When we invest our $5,000 the first year, shares cost $100 apiece and we buy 50 of them. When the share price drops, we buy more shares with the same amount of money. When the share price is at its highest, we buy very few shares. Here's the total number of shares we've bought. We start at 0 and each year add on the new shares that we've bought. 50 plus 100 is 150, plus another 50 is 200, plus another 25 is 225. And when we sell our shares, we sell 225 shares for $100 apiece. So if we invest all at once, we end up with the same $20,000 we started with. But if we invest in the same stock, time averaging, investing $5,000 each year, we end up with more money, $22,500. In this example, time averaging was a good idea. It's better than lump sum investing, in which we put all of our money into the stock market at one time. Wait though for a moment and look at the answer for question 6 before you decide to take up time averaging yourself.